All right, guys, Christmas came a little early. I'm gonna go ahead and change out our factory steering wheel. We got our adapter right here. T04, fit the 367 2014 Peterbilt. Got our steering wheel. Our horn. Our wood grain right here. Let's pull this out. Let's see if I can get this out. What do you guys think? Let me know. Just got done washing it. Quick wash for the day. As usual, I'll go ahead and change this one out. But as usual, we got to take care of family business. So look for that video tonight. We'll go ahead and post it, taking it off. Pretty clean, pretty clean.